Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about a Honeywell thermostat with a backlight that is not working. I'll specifically be going over how to fix it easily in this very simplistic tutorial. So how to fix it easily if your Honeywell thermostat backlight is not working, let's get into this. As you can see, if I push a button over here, you can see the backlight illuminates. It makes things very good and easy to see in the nighttime. And if your backlight is not working, these are 5 simple fixes. I'm going to keep this short and sweet. Let's get into this. Number 1, replace the batteries. If your thermostat has batteries, replace the batteries. Maybe when the batteries get low, it causes it to glitch and the backlight not to work. It's happened before. I wouldn't rule it out, so replace the batteries. If that doesn't help you, I'll move on to number 2. Fix number 2 is to press different buttons. So literally, maybe you're pressing this button and it's not illuminating the backlight, but maybe this button is not triggering the backlight for some random reason. So try pressing other buttons. See if other buttons will illuminate the backlight. Try that out for number 2. If that doesn't help you out, move on to fix number 3. Fix number 3 is to turn the circuit breaker off and then on. So essentially, your circuit breaker powers this right here. And sometimes, on occasion, a circuit breaker is in the on position, however, it's not fully on. So maybe this is getting power, but not enough power to give you a backlight. So if you go to the circuit breaker that controls your thermostat and flip it off and then back on, you can at least rule this out, and hopefully it fixes it, but you can at least rule it out as a potential cause, okay? If that doesn't help you, I'll move on to fix number 4. Fix number 4 is to press the thermostat inwards a little bit. So I'm not gonna do that on mine because mine actually, at the top, there was a big hole back there. So like the top, the wall anchors are loose on the top. I think there was like maybe 4 wall anchors here, and 3 of them are tight, but there's like one at the top that's loose if I remember correctly. So I'm not going to push it in. But sometimes there's just a little bit of a loose connection, and by pushing the thermostat inward just slightly, that's going to hopefully help you solve that potential connection problem. That's number 4. And if that doesn't help you, I'll move on to fix number 5. Fix number 5 is to look for a backlight setting. There might be a backlight setting in your thermostat, and maybe your backlight is turned off with regards to its settings. So take a look for a backlight setting. I don't think there's a backlight setting on this. When I was doing research for this video, I checked for one. I couldn't find one on this model, but maybe your Honeywell thermostat has a backlight setting. Take a look. Maybe it's just been turned off. And that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial, and hopefully you can get your backlight to work on your thermostat once again. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.